unknown soldier. I was conceived and born under the blue sky. I grew. I loved life, knowing how good it could be. But I had a condition.
Left, right, left, ulit. Ano ba?
Oh, diretso na. Walang, hindi practice. Sige, tuloy niya lang.
Left, right, left.
I was compelled
Si Ryan dyan mamaya.
to grow in the province, to forget a life filled in the farm, to forsake a vineyard in the barrio. I went off to war. Fellow citizens, somewhere in the annals of casualty, the details of my death are not important. It is only to remember
When the silence of war speaks from
Palpable mouth of our gun in your gun. Human flesh shrinks and dies in the earth. So I fell, so I died. 1, 2. Appear tayo.
tuloy-tuloy.
I have a new vantage point. My name now is not attached to local conscription. I am not Jew and Gentile, Filipino or Russian, French or Japanese, English, German or American. I am simply a casualty of war. I will not say a harsh word, louder than the sound of other rebels. My flesh is smoldering in the earth. Will you remember that? My young flesh is smoldering in the earth. Yet I do not say it with misgiving. I say it only for this new reason. Life might have been kinder to me. I might have been spared a few years longer to know the joy of loving and of being loved. I might have been taken a child upon my knee and loved. Does it make much difference now? In the cool of the evening, or in the shadows of the night, but I was a casualty of war.
Yung pag maayos sa atin mamaya, ang ganda yun. May practice lang.
You may consign me to the small benedictions of village grief and civic memorial.
I will not defend it. If I have done wrong, if I have been the barbarian enemy who ran from a cave,
With a heart aim of death, wrapped
upon my body, be kind, if not to my memory, at least to my orphan children. For I was not a beast, but a man, last brother to man who got the place.
Yung si
I
Chester.
am the known
Yung
soul,
si Chester.
and since I am now one with the Spirit, all those who have shed their blood for God,